My role is to run all the operations, make sure our pins are made to our high quality standards and our orders are shipped on time, and make sure that we're making the best quality pin in the bowling business.
And how long have you been here?
I've been here 30 years. I ended up here on a blind ad in a newspaper. And then when I got here, I loved it. I started in accounting, worked my way up to accounting manager, production manager, and then general manager. What most people don't realize either is there's only 2 bowling plants in the whole world that make a wood core bowling pin. That's USBC certified, and we're the only ones in the United States, so that's something the employees are proud of.
In one area, I thought it was so cool that mom was on one side of the belt and the daughter was on the other side of the belt. That's so rare, so unique. The interview I had earlier was that one of the favorite parts of the job was that they get to work alongside their brother. There's a lot that's to be said for that, right? To
Yep.
be able to be surrounded by your family. But the one thing that stood out to me is the pride that radiated off of the employees down in the plant. The pride that they took in their job and how meticulous they were with everything was startling to me. The other thing is I was amazed at how many times a human being was contributing to the pin process.
Quality control in our plant starts right at the front, and as the lumber moves down through, it's constantly graded by the employees all the way down through till it goes in the box out to the bowling center. We take great pride in the fact that we have the highest quality pin in the industry.
Mm-hmm.
And it's funny that you mentioned the family connection. We're big on family. The mother and daughter that you mentioned, the daughter is actually expecting a child soon, so
Oh,
there will be
how
a
nice.
grandchild in the
Oh,
picture.
that's
So.
wonderful.
And that was Heidi and Patty. So.
Yes.
And they've been with me for a long time.
And how many pins do y'all put through here on an annual basis?
On an annual basis, it's about 1.4 million bowling pins.
Well, what one piece of advice regarding bowling pins would you leave us with today?
Just appreciate the quality that's in a box of pins that you get. Our employees do, and we hope the bowling centers do. And our goal is to be the last bowling pin manufacturer in the globe, so we got a little ways to go.